Hey kids, hi, can I have some of those? Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids! Ah!
Fuck it, Fruit Loops are probably just as good.
God damn it, Mark Gunn! Shut up about your cat! There's a world of subject matter to explore beyond that! Oh, how cute! She licked your eyelid! Oh, how cute! She licked your bisque! Oh, how cute! She's licking dookie from her broken asterisk! God damn it, Mark Gunn! Your on-board discography is little more than a heavy yoke to a validity! Oh, how cute! She's due to heaven! Oh, how cute! She took a whiz! Oh, how cute! She scratched her face! Isn't she vicious? Yes, she is! I'm a cat owner myself, but there's more to life, I swear! Serenading, walking, screeching, wads of allergens and hair! Read a book, go for a walk, see a movie, knit a quilt, maybe buy yourself a lint brush, get the cat hair off your kilt! You don't just wear it on your sleeve, your scratched up banner is unfurled! You're the egg and ass cheeseburger of the Celtic filking world! Do the cats always get the ladies? How much action have you got? My suspicion is that stealing cats been watching you a lot! God damn it, Mark Gunn! Shut up about your cat! There's a pussy joke here, now let's see monkey handle that! Oh, how cute! She licked your sandwich! Oh, how cute! She chewed your pen! Oh, how cute! She ate it, thumped it, cuffed it, up, ate it again! Can you say?
I will if you can shut up about your nipples for 3 seconds.
Oh, there's murder and corruption, there's sorrow and there's anguish, there's torture and there's torment, and there's news and there's news, there's business suits and bullies, there's travesties and traffic, there's genocide and homelessness and plagues and corporate greed and... Fuck you! The bully is eating a flower! Fuck you! The bully is eating a flower! Fuck you! It's a goddamn flower! Now the bully is eating it! That is cute as fucking sad! There's fascists and there's fat cells, there's hellfire and there's hailstorms, and evil men with evil minds keep doing evil things. There's trench coats and tiaras, there's crude oil and colonics, CDs, and it's got going WMDs, and fuck you! The goose is doing a dance! Fuck you! The goose is doing a dance! Fuck you! The cheating some bread, and now it's doing a dance! Sweet Jesus is doing a dance! The internet wants to love you. The internet wants to make it all better. The internet wants to hold you close and caress your hair and bite your fucking nipples. What? There's backers and there's borders. There's conflicts and collisions. There's agony and effigies, despondency and deities. There's bird flu and there's bomb threats, reactions and recessions. There's blasphemy and bigotry and tragedies and hate and fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! Just look at the monkey! Really look at the monkey! I said look at the goddamn monkey! Fuck you! The pig is doing a ghost! Fuck you! The dance is riding a flower! Fuck you! The monkey is eating a body! The internet is a big fart for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! A big fart for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! For the fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Yes? Then can you turn off the map light, please? I'm looking for my cigarettes. Fine. Find them? Yes. So can you turn off the map light now? I'm trying to find a CD in my bag. Get it? Yeah, here it is. Well, once you put it on, turn off the map light. I need to eat my side salad. I can't eat it in the dark. I'll get it on my blouse. Well, after that, can you turn off the map light, please? Well, after that, I need to put on my makeup. Why didn't you do that before we left? You were in such a hurry to leave. Well, after that, can you turn off the map light, please? Well, after that, I want to read this article in the new issue of Cosmo called 13 Subtle Signs Your Husband Might Be a Nagging, Neurotic, Obsessive, Compulsive, Anal, Retentive, Control.
Turn off the goddamn map light! Turn off the goddamn map light! Turn off the goddamn map light! Map light! Map light! Map light! Map light! Map light!
Map light. Map light indeed. I like the map light. It's a pretty map light.
An email from this guy
guy who claims to know me. He graduated from my high school in the class 2 years below me. And he sat 3 seats behind me in my composition class. And he remembers my old anthem shirt that showed up to crack my ass. Anyway, he said just figured I should drop you a line to let you know that my homepage is finally online. It took me weeks and weeks, but it's finally all done. So surf on over, Cyberbuddy, it'll be such fun. He closed the ugliest signature I've seen in a while. And a cliched and sincere colon parenthesis smile. The message had repeated with a lot of brackets in it. I stared at her horror and just sat there for a minute. From the onslaught of stupidity, my mind was fucking beat. But from deep in my mind, a voice screamed, "Damn it, delete!" And as my poor ear flailed in panic, trying to send this thing to hell, I accidentally clicked right on his fucking URL. The screen went yellow, but the font was yellow too. So I couldn't see a thing and there was nothing I could do. My P120 turned and growled like the hard drive was exploding. 30 minutes went by and the first banner was still loading. I clicked stop and I clicked exit, but my browser just ignored me. Every dozen GeoCities ads were popping up before me. Every ad had its own window, every window spawned another. And the windows spawned more windows till the screen was fucking smothered. So I went for a walk, just so some time could be spent. I came back and it was still sitting at 2%. So I made myself some dinner and I played a game of Doom. I read a couple novels and I wallpapered my room. 3 days later it was loaded and my keyboard started to function. There was nothing but taking shape and saying under construction. The only link on the page said click here to email me. So I picked the font, big enough for astronauts to say and type, "I don't give a shit about your fucking website. I don't give a shit about the life you live. I wouldn't give a shit about your fucking website if I had 100 spare shits to give." A few days later, another blast from the past. I got an email from an ex who had dumped me on my ass. She said, "My website's up. It's something you've got to see." So I figured I'd just make sure there weren't any pictures of me. I clicked and suddenly I was bathed in cutesy clip art galore. With more flowers, birds, and bunnies at a fucking Hallmark store. It said, "This is my page and it's all about me. Everything you'll ever need to know updated daily." There were stories about her sister and pages about her prom and pictures of the coming out party for her mom. There were pictures of her friends and pictures of her hat and 100,000 pictures of her scraggly ugly cats. There were links to every fucking page that she even knew. And each one of them was broken. She even misspelled Yahoo. When I finally got through every fucking poem she never wrote, I figured it was time to drop the stupid bitch a note saying, "I don't give a shit about your fucking website. I don't give a shit about the life you live. I wouldn't give a shit about your fucking website if I had 100 spare shits to give."
More sit now.
There's so much bullshit on the web that it fills me with rage. Hell, even be Arthur has her own fucking page. So don't waste my precious time, each day is only so long. I could be using the time to write another stupid song. So the moral of the story, I think it's plain to see. If your website's like the growers, don't send it to me. And if you do, don't be surprised if I get really pissed. And subscribe you to the Michael Boyd Fake Club mailing list. I don't give a shit about your fucking website. I don't give a shit about the life you live. I wouldn't give a shit about your fucking website if I had 100 spare shits to give. I don't give a shit about your fucking website. I don't give a shit about the life you live. I wouldn't give a shit about your fucking website if I had 100 spare shits to give. Rams! I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your motherfucking website. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your motherfucking website. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your motherfucking website. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your motherfucking website. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your motherfucking website. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your motherfucking website. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your motherfucking
This one needs a bit of setup and help, and I think we have enough people to do this tonight. This is the most evil song I've ever written. We're going to divide this audience into three groups. And people over here, you are the sex group. If I point to this side of the room, I need you to all scream out, sex! Can you do that? Awesome. This middle of the room, you're going to be the drugs group, so let your little straight edge ideas go. And when I point at you, I need you to scream, drugs! Can you do that? We played at Syracuse last night, straight edge capital of the fucking world. We had like one guy, drugs! Then he got his ass kicked. Anyway, over here we have the Satan group, the most evil group of all. I want to hear some Bruce Dickinson, I want to hear some Rob Halperds, and I want to hear some Tom Arias. Let's do it now. Satan! Satan! Awesome, all right. Wait, I'm still torn by the weakness of the sex group right now. I guess we need some people from over here to... we need some drugs to help the sex. All right, let's try this again now. This is called What Your Parents Think All Your Music Sounds Like. Kill your neighbor, kill your brother, kill your sister. Kill your parents, kill your teachers, kill yourself. Sculpt a statue of the devil with your feces. Shit, fuck that beer! Shit, fuck that beer! Carve a pentagram into your neighbor's poodle. Staple turbos to the face of every nun you see. Murder everyone and send us all your money. Shit, fuck that beer! Shit, fuck that beer! On fire and use the flames to light your crack pipe. All the cool kids sacrifice their cats to Satan. Shit, fuck that beer, sing it! Shit, fuck that beer! Turn your hat and show your undies like a gangsta. Put your homework off until the very day it's due. Girls will fuck you if you drink right from the milk jug. Shit, fuck that beer! Shit, fuck that beer!
Uh-oh, who wants to die?